Okay guys, welcome back to our videos for lab. I wanted to teach you all how to count for a colectomy when we have this big retractor here. So we're once again going to start over here with our Ratex and laps. We usually start with our Ratex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Ratex. Laps, they have a band just like our Ratex do, and we're going to count them so we can see the blue lines again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 2 packages of these, and laps always come in packages of 5, and so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So that way I know I have 10 sponges all together, but each pack had 5 in them. Okay, everything else is just like we're used to. I have blades, 1 and 2. I have hypos, 1 and 2. I have 1 suture needle, and I have 1 bovie tip. Okay, for my instruments, this is a major set. It just means that there's more instruments to it. It's not any scarier than what you guys have already been doing. So I have towel clamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, hemostats, and sterile processing got these out of order, so let's put them back in order. All right, hemostats, 1, 2, 3, 4, peons. Now peons I've got short and long, so I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing with Alice's. Alice, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Cokers, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Mixtures, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to tilt these over to the other side because we can't really see my Babcocks in here. I have Babcocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Scissors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't forget your utility scissors. Needle holders, 1, 2, 3. And I have 1, 2 sponge sticks, which you guys will learn this week in instruments. All right, I kind of made a mess here because my instruments got away from me. Once again, my towel clips are being a pain. There we go. All right. Forceps. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Retractors. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knife handles. I have 1 and 2. Now I say I'm coming over here to my Thompson retractor, and I'm going to count my Thompson retractor. For most of these big retractors, we're only going to count pieces. So I have 1. We want to make sure that none of these pieces come off so we can count it as 1 piece. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neither of these pieces can come off. And then I have my little pieces in here and I physically move them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then I usually run my hand along the side and just make sure that where I can't see without leaning way over, I don't want to do that, remember. I want to stand up fairly straight. I make sure that I don't have any instruments that I'm missing. And my circulator will count up the number of pieces on their count sheet, and they will say, yes, 20 is correct. Then I'm going to put this all back in here. So it stays out of my way until we're ready to use it. I will put this big guy on top because that's the first thing we're going to use when we use this big retractor.